Hi, I'm Amy Karanik. I'm a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at the oven-safe clay mat. This is the oven-safe work mat. It has a great silicone non-skid surface on the back so that when you put it where you want it, it stays in place. It's easily cleaned up with baby wipes between colors. One of the techniques I like about the oven-safe work mat is that the clay likes to stick to it as well. So if I have a sheet of clay like this and I just roll it into place, it will stay nice and steady for me to do all kinds of cutting on top. And I've just got a cutter. And the oven-safe mat is really great to use with cutters too because it's really strong and you won't damage it by using cutters or blades. Once I have my design cut out, I can just peel away the scrap, and that leaves my perfectly cut pieces right in place. Now all I have to do is transfer the oven-safe work mat from my work surface to a baking pan directly. That way none of the pieces on top of the mat are disturbed. Just peel up the mat and then position it in your favorite baking pan. Then it's ready to go right into the oven. The oven-safe work mat is great for all kinds of projects from jewelry to home decor.